Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're going to be doing the portfolio update for February 2025. If you guys could like and subscribe, that would really help the channel out. And just a wee disclaimer before we get started is the information presented on this channel in any of the videos is only intended for entertainment purposes. Please make sure to do your own research before investing. And if you'd like some free shares, Robinhood's running an offer at the moment. I think it might be up to 5 shares you get for free. I'm not sure if it's still running, but definitely check that out. The link is in the description. Okay, so my aim for investing, to create a passive income stream of dividends. This will be achieved by investing in mainly large cap UK companies who will pay a reliable dividend. I also use Stocks and Shares ISA on Trading 212 and Vanguard. I now invest in exchange traded funds as well to diversify my portfolio, and I would like to be able to retire early. That would be the aim. So that is why I invest. So this month, to put it mildly, has been fantastic. Great growth, nearly up about £4,000, but we'll get into that in a wee minute. So starting off with my Trading 212 ISA, current amount is £41,115, so that takes the gain to 16.71%. Massive increase from last month. Really happy with how it's played out. I think moving over to ETFs as well, as we'll see when we look at the portfolio, has really helped as well. This month I've added £1,344 and 5 pence. My dividends this month, that's one of the things I was going to talk about today, but it's £25 and 29 pence, so total all time for Trading 212 is 1,537 pence. So dividends, I expect this year, for the first time since I've started investing, to go down quite a bit, as I'm not investing in companies that pay a reliable dividend as much anymore, and I've sold off quite a lot of them and taken some gains, and I've decided to invest more in ETFs, as I feel that's working better for me at the moment. So what we'll do is we'll jump over to the Trading 212 platform and we'll have a look at what my investments look like over there. Okay, so that's us over to the Trading 212 account. So in my invest account, I have £5,894 at the moment. I just invest it all in S&P 500 accumulation, so it doesn't pay dividends, this one. But very happy with that. So up 2.71%. Only started doing that maybe 2 months ago, so very happy with how it's playing out. And this money will all be moved into my ISA. So go over to the ISA now. ISA is the big one, and I've maxed it for this year as well, so I can't put any more in because I have 2,400 in a lifetime ISA as well, which is not shown in this video. But this last month has been phenomenal, really good. There's been ups and downs as well, obviously with the AI getting launched by China, massively brought it down. However, it has recovered up to peak levels as what it was sort of halfway through the month. So very, very happy with how it's all playing out at the moment. ETFs are looking fantastic as well. So we'll try and click on that. There we go. So you can see the holdings. So I have the S&P 500, the big one. I have the top 20, which is made by BlackRock, or iShares, I think that's how they put it, but that's going really well at the moment as well. Dipped off a wee bit towards the end of the week, but very happy with how that's going. Going to continue to use that as a wee test and continue putting money in there. Really liking the look of that index, so really happy with that. And then the All World High Dividend Yield, which I hold, the All World High Dividend Yield and S&P 500 in my Vanguard account as well. Rolls Royce, again, kept going up. Saint-Gobain, very good. So I'll just scroll through. So that's the sort of top winners that I've got at the moment. If you have any questions, leave them down below. I was also looking for a way of tracking my portfolio as well. I know Snowball is used by a few people, so just let me know if you use any and what you would recommend, and I'll have a look at them. Stellantis is my biggest loser, with Volkswagen not far behind it. European car companies are not having a good time at all at the moment. Really not doing very well. But today, a very green day, so it's all looking green across the board, to be honest. Just a few that aren't doing very well. And a few companies, majority of them, legacy companies that are really not doing very well. So I may move a lot of this into ETFs as well. Just not happy with how the UK market is performing. I've said that a few times over the last few weeks. Even the European market's not going very well. It seems to all the growth seems to be happening in America at the moment. So that's why I always choose to have my ETFs. So what we'll do is we'll jump back over to the PowerPoint now and finish off the video up there. Okay, so that's us back over to the PowerPoint. So for my Vanguard ISA, which I paid into in 2021, 2022 and 2023, so 2 years, I have a current amount of 27,138. I added 18,000 into this, and that's a gain of 44%. These are the numbers of the two ETFs that I hold, which I also hold in Trading 212. The numbers won't exactly add up because there's a wee bit of cash left in this account as well. If anyone's doing the calculation those numbers there don't equal that exactly, then that's why. So dividends, I did receive them this month. So I received £51 from the S&P 500 and 45 from the All World High Dividend Yield. So that takes the total to £96 and 48 pence for the Vanguard ISA. So that brings the grand total of all my accounts. It brings the total to £74,855, which is absolutely fantastic. So what we'll do is we'll jump over to the Excel spreadsheet at the moment, and I'll show you through the gain for this year and how I track my portfolio as well. Okay, so that's us over to the Excel spreadsheet now. So this is how I track all of my investments made. So I have my individual platforms that I invest in, and what date it was when I recorded. I have my investment change, so however much it is, change from previous and change since start. So up quite a bit at the moment as well. So that brings the total amount to 74,000. This year I've added £1,800 totally. And total dividends is £121.77. And my total investment gain this year minus my income, so no money I've added, is £3,257, and that takes the total investment gain for this year to 4.67%. If you would like one of these trackers or whatever, I've got them. I've made a video on how I made it, and you can get a free download link for that on that video as well. So that's the dividends that I got paid this month and the total amount. So we'll jump back over to the PowerPoint now and round off the video. Okay, so that is the total dividends just here. That brings the total all-time dividends to £2,701. And these are the dividends that I just showed in the Excel spreadsheet. So within, if there's any questions at all, just leave them down below. I want to say a massive thank you as well for the 500 subscribers as well. And without anything further to do, I'd like to say a massive thank you, and I'll see you guys in the next video.